Good morning, class 1. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome back to our e-learning program. In this lecture, we will discuss the next topic, that is edible oil from the chapter 4, that is plants as food. In this chapter, we had already discussed about fruits we get from plants, that is apple, orange, guava, pineapple, blackberry, blueberry, and several types of fruits we discussed. Then we discussed about the vegetables, that we eat different parts of the plant as vegetable, like carrot and radish, that is root we are eating, potato and onion, that is stem we are eating, cabbage and spinach, that is the leafy vegetables we are eating, clove, that is the bud of a flower we are eating. So in this way, several types of things we take as a vegetable from the plant. In some plants we take the whole plant body as a food, like spinach, leaf, stem, everything we are eating from this plant. The next is best example of such type of plant is banana. The flower, the fruit and the stem also we are taking as a food. So see, sometimes we take the whole plant as a vegetable. So these are the things we get from the plants. The next thing is nuts. Nuts are the type of fruits which is covered in a hard structure, like walnut, almonds, cashew nut, pistachio, etc. So these are the nuts which are covered in a hard shell. We have to break it and then we can enjoy. And these are called dry fruits, which is used to garnish the sweets or to increase the flavor. From the word flavor, I come to remember the word spices: chili, turmeric, coriander, cumin seeds, tamarind. These are the spices we get from plants, and we use these spices in our food to increase the flavor and taste of the food. Now, as we talking about the flavor and taste of the food, then just try to think that if we are not able to fry the food, does it give us better taste? No, we are not able to get better taste if we do not fry the fruits. Maybe it is not healthy. Fried fruit is not healthy for us, but to increase the taste, we need oil. We need to fry the our fry our food, and to fry our food we need oils. That is called edible oil. And we get edible oil. The famous oil in our area, that is Bihar, West Bengal, UP, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, or the region close to us, Jharkhand also. The best oil we use for cooking is mustard oil, which we get from the mustard plant. So this mustard oil is very famous in our area. In some areas or some people use oil which we get from ground nut, that is badam. They use this groundnut oil to prepare their food or to fry their food. Then if you go to southern part of India like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, you will able to see that people are using coconut oil. To cook their food also. We use coconut oil to massage our body, but there they use coconut oil to cook their food, because coconut is produced in that part of country in huge amount. So coconut oil we get from coconut, and we use it for cooking and massage our body. The next type of oil is sunflower oil, and as the name suggests, we get this oil from where? From the sunflower plant. So class, these are the different types of edible oil which we get from the plants. The first one is mustard oil, the second one is coconut oil, the third one is sunflower oil, and the fourth one is ground nut oil. So these are the different oils we use to cook our food, and if we use them in a proper quantity, then it is healthy for us. But if we use in a large quantity or huge quantity, then it is not healthy for us. So we have to take care for that. So have a good day, class. Be safe at home. Thank you.